It's Turquoise Haskin, and it's a blessing to be here with all of you. I'm proud to be here as a Brooklyn civil court judge, Kings County, countywide. I believe in the power of the law to dismantle injustices throughout our community, and we need fair and just representation on the bench to make sure that that's a promise. I'm committed to being a judge for the community that ensures fairness, that ensures proper justice for all members of our community. A little bit about my background. I was born and raised in Flatlands, Brooklyn, and I'm a twin sister. I have a younger sister, they're podiatrists, and I am the protector and defender of the law. So I worked in the court system for the last 14 and a half years, and I've served the people of Brooklyn in the capacity of a court attorney in civil court, the court in which I now seek to represent the people as your next judge, and I'm currently in Supreme Court, which is the largest and busiest courthouse in our entire nation. And I work directly with my judge on cases that affect hardworking Brooklynites like yourselves, personal injury matters, which would include car accidents, premises liability matters, falling on a cracked sidewalk and suing, breach of contract matters, insurance disputes, foreclosure matters, commercial landlord-tenant cases where a landlord might sue their restaurant or their store tenant. So I've worked on so many cases that have a profound impact on people's lives, and it's so important that we have a fair voice on the bench to make sure that everyone gets their fair shot. Prior to entering the court system, I worked in several legal capacities. I worked in private practice at a law firm where I made appearances throughout the 5 boroughs. I also did a lot of research and writing. I also worked at the Attorney General's office in the Charities Bureau, and I worked at the HPD, which is the Department of Housing Preservation and Development, which is the largest municipal developer of affordable housing in our nation. Given the climate that we're in right now, it's so important that we have someone on the bench that understands that it's important to make sure that everyone is properly represented. I've been hearing so many disturbing stories and news reports about people that are victims of hate crimes, especially in the Muslim community. And there has to be an end to that. It's so important that we're very cognizant of these issues and that they are addressed immediately by way of the law. And I intend to use the law to promote justice, to promote fairness, to promote equity for all. Access to justice is so important, and there are so many resources for individuals within the community. However, they're not informed of these resources when they enter the courthouse. The court should be a place that's welcoming for all, and you should be informed of all the resources. So as a judge, I will be committed to making sure that everyone knows of the resources available to them, including interpreter services, including representation services that are available.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for your time. I truly appreciate your listening to me, and I want to wish you all a happy Eid in advance. God bless. Blessings.
Thank you very much.